Successful 3 decades of Fleetcard Filters Private Limited, India's leading manufacturer of heavy-duty air, fuel, lube and hydraulic filters, air intake systems, coolants and chemical products for on and off highway applications. Fleetcard is the first filter company in India which has got NABL accreditation for its test laboratory. Fleetcard's mission is to help diesel engine manufacturers to build improved reliability and longer life into their engines. Fleetcard wanted to have a better control over their SLAs and thus needed a comprehensive enterprise data center management suite. eMagic was the perfect solution for their end-to-end data center infrastructure management. What were your major technology concerns faced before onboarding ESDS?
We have over 700 compute devices and 150 network devices spread across multiple locations, combination of internet service providers for MPLS and internet connectivity. We were facing challenges in centrally monitoring the IT inventory details, IP allocations, asset transfers handling, etc. MPLS and internet links monitoring was totally manual and was in reactive mode. We were using multiple rudimentary solutions to manage this. We did not have tools to give system uptime picture for any period for better controlling the SLA of the service provider. So that's when ESDS suggested us about their effective product called eMagic.
How has your journey been with ESDS so far?
Fleetcard is associated with ESDS for web hosting of our critical software Samanvay, which is used for aftermarket business management. Aftermarket business share in Fleetcard's total revenue is about 30%. So we were very selective while selecting the hosting partner. ESDS has been consistent in catering to our requirements very effectively for more than 7 years now. Hence we thought it worth to evaluate the product eMagic, which is a comprehensive enterprise data management suite.
Why did you choose eMagic for your enterprise needs?
It provides extensive solution for IT assets monitoring, IP management, NetFlow and syslog monitoring, cloud orchestration and IT change management. They have an option to select combination of these modules as per the individual's requirement. It proves to be one-stop shop and cost-effective solution since it caters to unlimited devices per single license for an enterprise. It has a facility to seamlessly integrate with SMS system to design customized alerts for system failures or productive failures.
How did eMagic benefit your business to grow?
With the effective utilization of MPLS links and the analysis of usage data, we could eliminate the redundant links billing to save our annual cost by 0.7 million rupees.
How would you evaluate the eMagic solution provided by ESDS?
With a combination of proactive alert messaging from eMagic and the links failover system, we have almost eliminated the network devices unplanned downtime. We are now better placed to review the SLA with ISP on the basis of data generated from eMagic.
How is eMagic the best choice for Fleetcard?
We have been using ESDS eMagic for about a year now and we are impressed with the solution. It has helped Fleetcard in managing its IT assets, DC operations and servers management effectively. For DCIM solution, eMagic is an intelligent choice.